Our images inside of our WordPress theme have not been working since we began the conversion. So this is something which we're going to fix in this video. If we go to right click and then go to the developer tools with inspect, we can check out the console by clicking on this tab. We have a list of 404 messages of not found, and these are all for our images, as we can see here. This is something which we can fix pretty easily. It really is just a case of changing the file paths for the image source. So let's begin up at the top with the main background image, which is in the header.php. If we locate the image element, which is in the feature section, so scroll down. This is one we need just here, and we can replace this image source. So just before our file path, we're going to enter the PHP. Open and close this off. Inside of here, we're going to echo a PHP string. Then we can use the escape URL function, which will check and also clean the provided URL, removing any characters which are not allowed. Then, just as we did when we added the CSS and JavaScript files in the functions, we can make use of get template URI to point to the root directory of our theme. Add the brackets on the ends. We're going to add a semicolon at the end. We also need to add a / before the images folder, since this is not added by default. Over to the project and reload, and we now have our first image back on the screen. Now it's just a case of going through the rest of the theme's images and then adding this in. You can either copy and paste this, or you can type this out manually if you prefer. To speed things up, I'm going to copy everything from the opening PHP tag right through to the /. So copy this. We can find the rest of the images in our index.php. Let's do a search with Command or Control F. Search for the image tags. And then we can paste in our PHP. So the first one, the second one, the candles, the retreat image. Also the dividers need this too. Keep going down. We've got another image here for a divider. We've got the massage image. We've got the facial, cosmetics, and that looks like them all. So let's save this and check they're all linked now in the browser. Have a scroll up and down and check all the images are where they should be. And everything looks fine. If you do have any problems with any images, make sure they all have the PHP code inserted in the right place. So that's our images all now working again. Next up, we'll take a look at the template hierarchy and using the front page.